Guys, today may naririnig ba kayo sa background, guys? Wait lang, guys. So, nakita nyo naman, di ba, may pusa sa intro. Look at that cat! Oh, may Doraemon tayo dito. Spark! Here! And guys, ayun, nagwawala na siya and gusto niya ng kumasta. Ba't ang labo ng camera? Ayun! Spark, say hi to vlog! Spark, come on. Come on, Spark. There you go. Yan, ang pulang yan. Love it. Baka Spark yan. Shoutout niya pala kay Spark. Hindi, Spark talaga, guys, pangalan niya. So ngayon, kasi katabi ko siyang matulog tonight, guys. Anong masabi mo, Spark? Tabi tayo ano masabi mo, Spark? Spark! So, kalab team niya, guys, si Megu. So, hindi yun nakakalampo sa akin ng tita ko. And kastang-kasta na tong si Spark. Basta Spark. Ito mo kamukha niya si Doraemon, guys. Doktaro na nina, hinano mahina, tayo. Ano, Spark? Mas ka lang ba dyan, Spark? Spark! Spark! Aww. So, I think nagugutom na ata si Spark. Siguro papakainin ko muna siya. Or hindi ko alam. Basta, bibigyan ko to ng pagkain. Tubig, house and lot. Guys, please subscribe for Spark. Kada like, bibigyan natin siya ng glitter box. Spark. Mukha niya talaga si Doraemon. Tokaro na ina, hinano na ina. Ang cute niya, taba. Okay, best friend na kami ni Spark. Diba, Spark? Yeah, best friend na kami.
Pag-upload, katapos ng part ko, tag natin siya.
I have Spark here and this is my cat, Megu. So, dalawa na sila. Ain't no way. Paldo, guys. Paldo, Megu, paldo, right? Paldo. Yeah, paldo. Di ba, Spark? Paldo. Yeah, paldo. Yesterday, hindi ko check yung Gmail ko cause I am too lazy to check any Gmail. But NUST email me, said I got accepted. Sabi na, NUST vlog, let's go, Gian. I will hunt you down, Gian. Ewan ko, cause I got data science. Wala akong alam dun. My friend just said, oh, mag-data science ko. Okay, I'm going to data science. But my original plan is I'm going to BSIT, guys. But, ano? Megu, ano yun? Oh, yung Megu yan? So, ayan. NUST, sabi ko na. Paldo. So, I will enroll later dun sa, ano, sa NUST. I'm gonna talk about it to my lola because it's super expensive kasi na magbalikan doon back and forth dun sa ano NUST because I need to magji-jeep ako 2 beses, then papunta and pabalik, and it's 30 ba? O 30 per biyahe. So I will gagastos ako ng 60 and also food. So I wish, guys. So August na bukas. Ano na? But Spark, look at Spark right now having a good time. Ewan ko, pero hindi po namin tong pusang to, no? Parang tumatambay lang dito para kumasta. Para kastahin si Megu. Ayan, kasi in-hit sila. Pero ito, paano ka kakasta niya? Nakahiga ka pa dyan. Open belly ka pa. Oy. Guys, ain't no way. Look at this cat. Swerte ng pusa, lolood pa. A little bit up there because I feel down. because something happened, but hindi ko na sasabihin, but I feel down. I feel something weird, but don't worry about me. I'm fine. I'm doing great. But the thing is about English pa kasi. Problema lang ay since I'm college and iba yung school from NES. I will reveal my school. It was NES. Iba yung school from bagong school. I just said na pumasa ako sa NEUST. That my hard work paid off, guys. My hard work paid off. NUST, I got accepted on that course, and the problem is I don't have money to support me in college. That's when I have financial money. I'm not financial stable right now, so I feel down. I feel, alam niyo na. Sorry guys if this a little bit emotional, but yun yung feeling ko. So, but I know everything's gonna be fine. Just trust lang kay Lord. Okay guys. Okay. So yun lang. I feel something bad, but I think that's it. See you in college. Siguro magre-record na ako pag college era. I think I will record the orientation sa August 5. Pupunta ako doon kasama si Junel and Harry. Yes, those two nakasama ko sa AU, and I hope na bago yung course namin. Bye bye.